Hello, welcome to PlusNik channel. In this video, I want to show you how to edit your videos on YouTube after uploading them. To continue watching this video, please. Sometimes we upload the video on YouTube, and after uploading, we understand that needs to edit, but we cannot edit the video and replace the new one. So I'm gonna show how to edit the video on YouTube after uploading. To choose video, please go to your channel page and click on Manage Videos. In this page, which named Content page, you can choose your video. For example, I'm editing the first one. Click on the pen to edit it. After that, we can edit some options, for example, title of video, description of video, and other options. For example, we can change the thumbnail of video and tags here. But sometimes we need more edit options. For example, add audio and add in the screens and cards. In this case, click on editor at left of page. And in the editor page, we have some other options, for example, trim, blur, audio, end screen, and info cards. So let's start the first one, trim tool. For example, when we want to split parts of the video, we use trim tool. So in this video, we want to separate the locomotion part of the video. I'm playing the video to find the locomotion part of video. For example, I move the pointer, click on trim, then split, and after that separate the place where you want to split. Then separate the part where you want to split from the video. Then click on preview and you can save it by clicking on the save button. Next option, blur. When you want to blur a part of video, you can use this tool. For example, in this video, I'm going to blur the logo in my locomotion part of my video. Click on blur and choose custom blur because we don't want to blur the face. Okay, and change to oval because we want to blur a circle part of video, and change the size of blur. As you can see, my logo is under the blur. Okay, after finishing, you can save the change with clicking on the save button. And an interesting part is audio. Imagine that you forgot to add audio. For example, you forgot to add music to your video. You can add the music from here. Click on the audio to add music to your video. The website name is Thank you for watching this video. Also, you can watch these videos, but please don't forget to subscribe our channel to not to lose our videos in future.